Hello. I don't know if you can hear George outside, but we are going to Scarborough today because it is reading week and we're basically having like a whole week off. So we're going somewhere pretty far. Scarborough is like an hour away from downtown itself. So yes, and I'm gonna vlog today finally after like a whole year of no vlogs. Actually, no, I uploaded a vlog this year, but that vlog was like recorded when I was coming here. That would have been pretty long ago actually. It's like a whole, yeah, it's over a year ago. Okay, so now I am going to get ready. Also, one of my batteries already died. What the heck? That was very fast. Like, I didn't even record much, but I think it's because I kind of left it in my camera overnight, so that's kind of why it died. I don't know, but I also have to, I haven't vlogged in a long time, so I'm gonna have to get used to talking to the camera itself and not like while looking at the screen like you would to do on the phone. So. Okay, I'm done. Now I just have to go and change and then I'll be right back. Ew. Anyways, I'm going to be late. We have a bus at like 8:53. We should possibly be leaving by now, but he's drying his hair, so okay. Also, I have my tripod. It's nasty as George. What? Anyways, that's our new couch. Move. Damn. That's our new couch. I hope it doesn't rain. If it rains, it's gonna be so bad. I have my makeup on, bro. But actually, tonight I'm like coming back to wash my hair anyway, so it's fine. Look at the trees. It's autumn. It's gonna be fall. It's fall and autumn. It's the same thing. We are at the bus station. Bus stop. The bus coming in 3 minutes. And George is panicking as always. What time are we supposed to reach in school?
Okay, if we're taking this bus, we'll reach at 9:04.
I can lah. Even if we leisurely walk to IB, we'll make it. Because I've done that before. I timed it. It was like 5 minutes. But I see the bus coming. We made it. Now it's time to just go to the bus. This actual bus stop. The shuttle bus to downtown.
Guess we're taking the good bus.
We're not getting the good bus,
okay,
bro. The good bus just passed by us. There's no way we're getting the good bus. We made it on time, guys. Shut the fuck up. I'm not talking to you. Bus. It's also very cold. My hands are very cold. Is that the driver? Is that the driver? Look at the trees. Whoa. Oh. Can I come in?
I feel like she just caught me watching her 마주친 눈빛 보이는 aura. She's my style. Oh, she 나 음악에 취해 춤을 추는 girl. She own it. I just can't get her off my mind. 그날 밤에 난 잠을 스치던 내 기 속에 남은 her. 인스타를 뜨긴 하는
We have arrived, and now we are going to this like dim sum restaurant in Scarborough. How far is it? Ooh.
Should be about an hour and a half. Okay, let's go. Wanna lead the way, wrong way? Yeah, to go to Spadina Station. We don't have to go to Union. Okay, right.
An hour and a half by public transport. Also, I'm making him carry my bottle because he's my slave.
Guys, help, I'm being present. Guys, help, please. Sorry, I respect that. I will do my best to accommodate Daphne.
Superpower, set the timing right back. 너를 눈앞에서 놓쳤단 건 말도 안 돼. Yeah, 집중이 안 돼 ever since that day. 난 아직 그때 그 자리에 있어. 넌 어때? I be like, what's your name? Oh, you came with your friends. 내가 싫어.
Yeah.
Guys, we have reached our destination.
Yes. That was a very long journey, but we're finally gonna have some dim sum. Apparently, it's pretty good. The wind. It's here.
Guys, we're here. Yes.
The orange one, right?
Yeah.
Right. Here. Is it that one?
Oh yeah.
I was wondering where you were going.
That is not orange.
That is ish.
No, it's red.
It's orange-ish.
No,
These men don't know colors. This is their menu. Oh my god, it's so like Chinese. We've got our cheese. What should we order, guys?
Chili one.
I'm seeing alright.
No hot tea.
Steamed pork dumpling. Steamed pork dumpling. Order two. Okay, so we have ordered our food, and George, for some reason, is surprised that there's people here. Obviously, there are people here. It's a restaurant. It's 11:52 right now. We left downtown. Well, not downtown. We left like our house at 9:15. So it's about 3 hours to get here.
We're fine, guys. I'm coming to eat the food. I'm so hungry.
We need to bother though.
Guys, I'm coming to eat the food. I'm so hungry.
Get into the frame.
Well, I'm in the frame. Look, I'm in the frame. I don't know. Just relax.
Waitress, just relax.
We have some tea.
Yeah, ikunyam.
Tea's very nice. Cheers.
Don't touch the lens as well.
I know.
The lady keeps like walking back and forth. So yeah. Okay, we're gonna record back when the food is here.
Yes.
Yes.
Good.
Okay, we're gonna eat.
Wait, need a step. This is char-siu, right? Stop with the fucking chopstick.
Okay.
God damn it.
This is pork and peanut dumpling.
It's very good, guys.
He hasn't even tried it.
God damn it. Okay. We have opia
Spring roll. And
with kicap manis. We have American haka.
just a fried shrimp.
Mayonnaise. That's actually too good.
The one I've been waiting for. Oh my god. We got a whole spread, guys.
Guys, look at this. This is amazing. Guys, look at that delicious juice.
Holy shit. We have like stuff left, and this guy's gonna eat it all. Go, George.
Guys, this is delicious, guys. Y'all should come here and enjoy this busting meal.
This is my vlog. About this guy stealing my spotlight? No.
You are the fellow holding the camera. Why are you doing, bro?
I am the boss of my own camera.
Yeah.
Okay, we're done eating and we're walking
Post-eating vlog. It was amazing, guys.
Pacific Mall now. Oh my god, I'm so full. And I'm actually so tired now. I want to sleep. Can you hold my phone?
Yes.
I actually want to sleep. But we gotta we gotta explore Scarborough because we are never here because it's very far.
Alright.
We're there. Yes.
Guys, we're at the mall.
Oh, the wind goes mad.
There's more busting, bro.
This mall is like really big. We're nearing. So many people actually. We're here. There's a lot of stuff. Look at all these like do you want? Dang. No way, this place has all the Korean skincare. What the heck? Yo, that's crazy. We're upstairs. Asian Snack Center. Wow. That is big ass bumblebee. Oh, it's a toy shop. Look at all the different white rabbits. Wasabi flavor. Coffee. Oh, there's more. It's like a whole table.
We have durian flavor.
Banana. Corn. Chocolate.
That's good.
He didn't sound very enthusiastic about that. Oh, Haichu! Yo! There's so many stuff here. Doritos in a cup.
Doritos churros.
Look at all these Oreo flavors.
Oh my god. Right. Oreo.
Pikachu. I actually never seen this like available here.
Okay, I hate this. I
What's
don't
that?
like. I hate raspberry. I hate blueberries. I don't like them.
That
Okay.
hater. This is like what? Milk?
It's yogurt.
Oh.
It says right there, my guy.
Fig. Matcha fig. Okay, that sounds kind of nasty, not gonna lie. Oh. This is like choco pie, but make it Oreo. Oh my god. Hello Kitty pasta. Indomie. Ribena. Yo. That's wild. Bebakao. Oh, this thing. Skittles. Drink. Some peach. Oh shit. Yo. This is crazy. Haven't seen this in a while. Yo! Mentos! They do not have Mentos here, bro.
Here is
Super cooling Chupa Chups.
super cooling.
Mountain Dew. Pepsi, China Pepsi. That's
Pepsi,
wild,
crazy.
guys. Oh my god, Starbucks. Boycott. Red Bull. I don't like Red Bull. Oh my god. What is this? Oh shit, this is so cute. Gum. Gum with sticker. Oh shit, milk cake. Whoa. I can't read Japanese, so. Look at all these Japanese snacks. Oh, there's even more stuff. Like gummies. Oh my god! Mentos!
No, it's not
Yo.
it's not fucking silly, bro.
But like,
I mean,
the mint ones are the best. What is this?
Okay, put it through Google Translate. No.
Is this gum? Oh, it's gum.
Chewing gum. So, the gum chewing's great.
So it's like Felix the cat. More gum. More gum. But like, do they not have like mint flavor? Why are they all fruity? Oh my god, these are the Ribena candy.
Oh yeah.
And super long thing, strip of candy. I want to try to look for something, but I don't know what I want. Meiji chocolate. These things. Is this those mukbang ones? Oh, but these look cute though. But that's not haichu. Polar candy. I think haichu is all fruit, right? I'm gonna try the ginger ale candy. Okay, it looks like this. It's like sweet, very weird texture, but it does taste like ginger ale. What do you have?
Orange candy. It's not as sweet as I thought it would be.
It's weird how this guy eats orange flavored stuff but not actual oranges. Oh, it's a dead end. So George is also in the bathroom. We're walking there. The Lucky Bridge. Let's cross the Lucky Bridge because everyone looks like they're crossing on there. Oh, you know what this reminds me of? One of the places that we looked at for prom. Oh. Real fruit bubble tea. More snacks. Photo booth. More snacks. Cornflakes. Oh my god, they have the chocolate coin and kopiko. We're now waiting for George. He's in the toilet taking a shit. I really hope he doesn't clog the toilet here, but I think we walked like the whole place already and it's not much to do. I feel like Scarborough is more eating than doing. So George got his Comme des Garçons socks.
Yes. Now
Here.
I have an excuse to not buy the shoes because I already got something Comme des Garçons.
It's nasty,
I
bro.
don't think I'm gonna buy the shoes
Okay.
anytime
Should we go back now?
soon. Back home?
Yeah.
Hell yeah, I'm down.
Okay. So that guy's tired. Oh, okay, Sonny Angels. That's what these were. Forgot the name for a second.
Alright guys, this is the end of our vlog.
Not yet. We
Okay.
still have to go home. What
Guys,
the
we have
fuck?
to go home guys. Hopefully something happens when we're on our journey home.
You know we are in Markham, right?
Yeah, I know. Oh.
We have left Pacific Mall and we're going back to UTM. Like, this place is actually far.
That's why if we've got a car then we'll get here with more efficiency.
Yeah, but the only person that can drive here is Ryan.
And bro is asleep with pride, fair enough. That's
Well,
fine.
I don't blame him. He's been busy all the time.
No, that's fine. We'll wait till Christmas time. We'll make sure Ryan gets 10 hours of sleep and then he can drive then.
This guy just wants to leech other people. Anyways, I don't know where we're going. Why am I walking in front? I'm all behind. I hear the police sirens already.
Guys, very windy leh.
It is. But then again, it's fall, so I'm not
Then
really...
we've blown this time my life before.
Shut the fuck up. Anyways, every time I turn on the camera, I feel like I tell George to shut the fuck up at least like once or twice. It's so stupid. He needs to learn how to shut the fuck up. Right, George? Yeah.
Sorry, I will shut the fuck up now. Sorry, I do apologize.
We know. Back to Toronto. Shut the fuck up. My hair. But kind of smudged. Oh, we walked past here just now from the restaurant. Are we going the right way? not the GO station, you dumbass.
Okay.
George, shut the fuck up. Finished up brand water now.
It was like 100 mil. Alright, I'll buy you one when we get to the station.
Next station is Warden Station.
Let's go. Look at that tree.
Guys, we made it back to Toronto. Oh my god.
Okay, change of plans. We are going to a cafe to just relax now, apparently, because someone wants to go. So anyway,
I think it's Narnia.
yes, this is a new path.
I've
Never taken this path before.
such an alluring path.
This is
Nature's
like
calling.
in between the university, or like in between the buildings.
Guys, look at the KL tower.
But like the clouds are really low though. Like
yeah.
right now, the clouds are really low.
It is a sign, guys. Repent. Christ is coming.
Shut
soon.
the fuck up, George. Ooh. This Trinity College. It looks like Harry Potter. I don't know what I'm saying, but yeah, sure. It looks like a whole ass castle. Some man on a horse. Yeah. We got ourselves some drinks at New Coffee Bar. We're sitting outside because like inside is all full. Like quite full. Someone's gonna snatch
Yeah,
and run.
that's what I'm saying. Don't do it. This kind of thing.
No, that's because you're the center. I should be the center. What do you get?
Milk chocolate. I got cold brew.
I got a iced matcha latte. As I always does. Later, I have my makeup finally arrived from Yes Style. My makeup. Yours is another set. Anyways, can't wait to go back and do an unboxing. Because I waited over a month for this. Like my set of makeup, right? I waited over a month for it to arrive. When it usually takes about 2-3 weeks. Because one of the items is like they've been waiting on it, so I just cancelled it in the end. So I finally got it, finally delivered, and it's waiting at our doorstep.
Where's the thing right now? It's coming to our house.
It's at our doorstep, bro.
We should know.
Shut the fuck up! Oh my god, I swear. I'm gonna put like a shut the fuck up George counter on this vlog. And I said, if I were to get $1 for every time I tell George to shut the fuck up, I feel like I'll be a bloody millionaire. And I can live in Toronto, like downtown, comfortably already, thanks to this guy.
Guys, what did I do? I didn't do anything, guys. I'm innocent. What did I do?
Shut the fuck up. You know, remember the chocolate review thing that we did? There was one part where I turned to George and I was like, George, shut the fuck up. And then I sent the video to my mom. And then I was like, oh wait, I cursed at George, or like I cursed in the video, and she was like, it's fine, it's just George.
I can do this, bro. I can do this.
It's a sign.
No.
We're leaving. We're going back to campus.
Alright, boys. It's time to head.
Shut the fuck up. We're heading back to St. George campus. And then we're going back home. The bus, or like the shuttle bus, is at 5:30 something, but it's like 4:42 right now because it's a half an hour walk. So I'm gonna put you in my bag because it's very cold and my hands are really freezing, bro. I gotta remember to bring out a glove next time. Okay, bye bye. We're back. There used to be water in there. Ooh, squirrel.
Squirrels.
There used to be water in there, but I think they drained it. dedicated loving memory. The wind outside is crazy, guys.
I want your digits and kisses. 오늘부터 인스타만 팔하고 스토리에 같이 사진을 찍찍어 순간 꿈깨 밀려오는 후회 잃어버린 내 기회를 다시 취하는 건 내 숙제. I see you alright, 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 yeah. Damn, it's really not alright. I feel like I'm wasting time trying to find where you are. I know, but girl, I want you. 찾을 수 없는 걸 알아도 난 좋아. 시간을 달리고 싶어. 이대로 난 무의미해 Keeping me waiting 네가 돌아올까봐 I'll be waiting on for you babe 이 밤을 이렇게
We're back to UTM and these two are bickering on who will sit next to with each other next time.
Am I instead of doing Christmas? No.
I don't think he wants to know anything. 6. Focus. It's like 6:22 now. Less than an hour on the bus. Actually, it was surprisingly fast.
Fast?
Yeah.
We left at 5.
Considering how it's like a work day and people get off at 5.
Yeah, it was rush hour as well, so under an hour is not too bad. Oh my god, guys, Minecraft building.
Sure. I can't wait to go back and unbox my makeup because I waited a whole month for it. Like, I think I ordered it on the 22nd of last month and it's the 28th. Focus! But yeah, it's the 28th. On the bus home.
Guys, on the bus home.
It wasn't recording just now and I pressed it. The bus is very bright for outside. Ew, you can see Georgia. That's nasty. We're home and I can't wait to get my package. The wind is also pretty strong here. So, my package is... How did it fit in here? Okay, so let's do an unboxing of my package. For some reason, I expected the box to be bigger, but it's okay. It is double wrapped. The first one is the Peri Para Dear My Bestie eyeshadow palette. So this palette is like, you have blush, you have everything all inside. Ooh! This is my eyeshadow palette, guys. Can you guys see? Ooh! Okay, so I was supposed to... This was like a free gift because I got one of the lipsticks, but this was the lipstick that took ages to arrive. So this is the Laka. It's like a lip tint, I guess. Number 2. Next is the item that I've been waiting for so long. This Junny doll. Special edition Ice Watery Lip Gloss. This is the one with the metal applicator. I think I got this in like the buckwheat shade. So yeah. Metal applicator. Roman X Inept Square. And I bought this because like the packaging looked really cool. It is black in color. There. What?
The tin lip gloss is...
You don't know the difference because you're a boy. Anyways, lastly, it is the basic concealer palette that I actually been wanting for quite a while because this one is like quite pricey, but when I got it, it was like on sale. Look at it. They have many different colors for color correcting, especially. And I use like the green one the most because like the green helps with like red spots and stuff. I have to figure out what can help with my under eyes though. So yes, that's all for my unboxing. Now I'm going to go shower.
Oh wait, guys, let me unbox mine. Guys, okay, now
Is
this
it
is my...
facing you?
Yes, it's facing me.
Okay.
Hey guys, this is my unboxing. First, I got Oreos. Whoa, let me open them right now. Whoa, guys, look at the Oreo. Oreo. Fucker, there's only 2 in there. What the hell? Okay, never mind. Let me try one of them right now. Guys, look at the Oreo. Guys, look at the Oreo. Amazing. Okay.
I'll take it myself from there.
Okay, guys, itadakimasu. Yeah. The packaging is fucking floral. Maple, it's like maple shit on it. Yeah. So that's, okay, that's the Oreo, guys. Amazing Oreo. $2, so cheap. Secondly, I'm in my fashion era. I got Comme des Garçons socks. Whoa, guys, look at these. After wearing these, I'll bag. This is amazing, guys. Look at these. I'm gonna wear these tomorrow. Whoa. Okay, that's all from me. Okay, bye.
So that's all our unboxing. Ryan got that orange candy that we saw earlier. But now I'm gonna go and shower because we've been out the whole day. So, bye bye. Thanks for watching my vlog.
Peace.